So topic 2.3 is the structure of ionic solids, and the objective for this topic is to represent an ionic solid with a particulate model that is consistent with Coulomb's law and the properties of the constituent ions. So we're talking about how to draw a particle diagram of an ionic solid for this particular topic. So the first thing is we need to think about how they are arranged. And cations and anions will arrange in a solid structure to maximize the attraction and minimize the repulsion. So whatever that means for the ratios of the particles, because remember the ratio is dependent on whether things have +1, +2, +3, so on and so forth charge. And so how they're going to arrange themselves also depends on their charge and their size, because they want to maximize their attractive forces, minimize their repelling forces so that it stays in the strongest solid possible. However this is going to arrange is called a unit cell, which is the smallest repeating unit. There are lots of different shapes for this. There's the ones that are present on this slide are cubic, body-centered cubic, and face-centered cubic. You do not need to know the names of all the different shapes. Maybe one day you'll take a class where you need to know them, maybe not. Depends on what your specialty is and what types of classes you take after this. However, for AP Chem, you don't need to know the different names. You just need to know that how they arrange, they're looking to maximize the attraction, minimize repulsion. If you were to draw a particle diagram, you're probably not going to need to draw an ionic solid in 3D like this. However, you should be aware of those ratios. So if you have a +2 charge, you need, for every 1 + 2, you need 2 - 1s if those are your two ions that you're working with. So you'll want to keep in mind the ratios between the two because they're going to want to cancel each other out. You'll also want to keep in mind that the positives are going to be attracted to the negatives attracted to the positives. So that's how they're going to arrange themselves in the solid, is so that they're maximizing attraction, minimizing repulsion.